Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a private story on Snapchat and choose exactly who can view it. Whether you want to share your moments with just your closest friends or keep things a bit more exclusive, this step-by-step guide will help you set up your private story with ease. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. As soon as you're on the camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your stories and account details. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Stories. Under this, you'll see an option called New Private Story. Tap on it. Snapchat will now display a list of your friends. Here's where you get to decide who can view your private story. Simply tap the names of the friends you want to include. You can select as many or as few as you like. Only the people you pick will be able to see what you post in this private story. Once you've chosen your audience, it's time to give your private story a name. Make it something fun or descriptive. Whatever helps you remember what this story is about or who it's for. After naming your story, tap Create Story at the bottom of the screen. Your new private story will now appear under the Stories section on your profile. Whenever you want to share a snap just with this group, take a photo or video as usual, then select your private story from the list before posting. Only the friends you selected earlier will be able to view these snaps, and you can always go back and adjust the viewer's or story name by tapping the 3 dots next to your private story. And that's it. You've successfully created a private story on Snapchat, giving you complete control over who gets to see your special moments. Enjoy sharing with your chosen circle, and keep your stories as private as you want them to be.